Hello and welcome to our channel IMIND.AutoCAD. Well, in today's tutorial, AutoCAD 2D drafting exercise number 5, we are supposed to create this geometry. As usual, before we start the geometry, let us explore from where we'll begin this geometry. After observing all the dimensions, I feel that this could be the best starting point. We would begin with the line command extending upward, then left, then up, then left, then down, and we'll proceed in the same way up to here. Then we'll draw a line at an angle of 140 degrees. Note that they have not given any dimensions for this line. Also, no dimensions has been given for this line, but the angle given is 100. This is 5 unit. This is 25 unit, this is 30 unit, this is 30 unit, this is 54 units, and again no dimension given for this line nor any angle. So taking this as the starting point, we'll now begin with the geometry. So we'll start with the line command. So I click on the line command over here, and when it asks me the first point, I'll take the tracking point from here somewhere at this point, and I'll click here. Then I will turn my ortho on. Then I'll go on the top 20 units, hit enter. Then I will go on the left 11 units and hit enter. Then on the top 10 units, hit enter. Left 30 units, hit enter. Bottom 30 units, hit enter. Then right 25 units, hit enter. Then bottom 15 units, hit enter. Then left 25 units, hit enter. Then bottom 10 units, hit enter. And then to the right 40 units and hit enter. Now I will end my command by pressing enter. So this structure is ready. Now I want to draw this line, these lines. So what we'll first do, we know that this distance is 125. So what we'll do, we'll offset this line, that is this line, at a 125 units distance. So we'll say offset, we'll say hit enter. Offset distance is 125. Select the object to offset and side to offset. Hit enter to end the command. So from here to here, this distance is 125. Now we'll move this line from here to here at 25 units distance. Okay, so we'll type move command, we'll hit enter, we'll select this object, we'll hit enter, specify the base point and move it to the left 25 units and hit enter. Now from here we'll draw one line of 5 units. So we'll say line, and we'll give this as the starting point, and the distance will give 5 units and hit enter. Then we'll press enter to end the command. Now in order to draw this line, we'll type line and we'll click over here. I'll turn the ortho off and you can see that I can get a line. So we'll take a line of any distance, like let's take 52, and I'll press tab to go to the angle command. Now remember the angle given is 140. So the balance angle over here, this angle is again 40 degrees because totally it is 180. So if you measure the angle from here to here, it is 40 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll give the angle as 40 degrees. and I'll hit enter. And then I'll press enter to end the command. Now just to check, we'll click over here on dimension, select angular and select this line and this line. So you can see this is 40 and this is 140. I'll press escape to end the command. Now we want to draw one line which is at 100 degrees angle from this endpoint. However, we don't know what is the endpoint or which is the precise endpoint, as this dimension is not given. So what we'll do, I'll draw one line which extends from here and I'll turn the ortho on, so extends downward like this. And I'll draw one line from here crossing this line like this, hit enter. So I made a triangle. Now we know that this angle is 40. So take for example, I'll just use angular dimensioning, and this is 40. So I will just do it again. Angular dimensioning, this line, and I'll click here. Now this is 90 degrees. So again, angular dimensioning here and here. Sorry, it's 50 degrees. So the balance should be, so this is 50 plus 40, 90, and this should be 90 degrees. So this is this and this, you can see, is 90 degrees because the sum total of all of them should be 180. So if I mirror this line, then I'll get a line at a 100 degree angle. So I'll type mirror and I'll click on this line. First point of mirror line is this. Second point is this. Erase source objects? No. Now this line is at 100 degrees angle. Let us just check. Again, angular dimensioning from here to here. You can see this is exactly 100 degrees. Now I'll erase the unwanted lines. So I'll say erase. I don't need this line. I don't need this dimensioning. I don't need this line and I don't need this line. Hit enter. Now this line is there. I'll move it over here. So this endpoint, I'll move it over here. So I'll say move. Select the object to move. This, enter. Specify the base point and specify the point to move. Now you can again measure it to confirm it. So here and here, it's exactly 100 degrees. Now we'll trim off this extra line ends. So we'll select this and we'll select this. So that's trimmed. Now this line, we'll just erase this and we'll draw one line 30 units on the top. So I'll say line, we'll say from here, we'll extend it on the top 30 units. Then to the right 25 units. Then on the top 30 units. Then to the left 54 units. And finally I'll turn the ortho off and join it with this line and hit enter. So our geometry is ready. And now I want to increase the thickness of these lines. So I'll just select all the lines. And from here, I'll give the thickness of these lines as 0.30. So the thickness of the lines have increased. Now we want to do the dimensioning. So Let's pan the drawing a bit to the left. And we'll do the dimensioning. So we begin with linear dimensioning. We give this point, and this is the first. Again, linear dimensioning, this point and this point. And if it's not exactly at the end, just undo it. And again, linear dimensioning from this end to this end and match it with this arrowhead. So we get this. Then again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 54 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here and join it with this arrow line. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here and join it with this arrow line. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 10 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 20 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 25 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, join it with this arrow line, 15 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, join it with this arrow, and it is 10 units. Then again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 40 units. Then angular dimensioning from here to here, 140 degrees. We want it on the other side, so I'll just undo it. And again, angular dimensioning from here to here. Again, angular dimensioning from here to here. Take it a bit to the left. Now select linear dimensioning from here to here. Match it with this arrowhead. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here. Match it with this 25. And we are done. If you want to increase the size of this dimensioning, then we will type MO and hit enter. And then we'll scroll down. We select one of the dimension like this and then scroll down till you come to fit. And here you have dimension scale overall. Just type 1.5 and hit enter. And then, or you can make it 1.25 and hit enter. And then just use match properties and match it with the other dimensions like this. And we are done. only thing which I note over here is this dimension 10 is not very clear, so I'll erase it, and again I'll do linear dimensioning from here to here and take it a bit to the left, and again select this, match properties with this, and we are done. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.